Do you have blurry images you want to fix, or do you want to upscale your images using AI? Today we're going to explore how you can do that in ComfyUI totally for free. This workflow is extremely simple to set up, and you only have to execute two commands to install it, and after that you can run it with a single click. To install this custom workflow, I want you to open this GitHub repo over here. I'll have a link to this repo down in the description box. So first we're going to copy this command over here, and in your ComfyUI directory we're going to navigate to custom nodes. So it will be this folder over here. We're going to navigate to this directory, and once you are in this directory you're gonna paste this command and click on run, and that's it. After that we need to run only one more command, so we're gonna come back here and we're going to copy this command over here. We're going to go into this directory, so we're going to navigate to this directory over here, and if you are unable to find this, it will be in custom nodes, and this is the directory we're in right now. And then we're simply gonna paste this command and we're gonna click on run, and this will install all the dependencies in this folder. Okay, so once you've executed both of those commands, our workflow is ready, and we can simply go back to GitHub and we can download this example workflow and pull it in ComfyUI. Okay, so we have ComfyUI loaded up over here. I'm just gonna open up a new window and I'm gonna copy the workflow we downloaded over here. So it will show up some missing nodes. Don't worry about it. We can simply go to ComfyUI manager, install missing custom nodes. Okay, so now we have everything set up and ready. I'm just gonna load up an image over here. Okay, so I have uploaded an image of a line over here, and we're gonna simply press on Q and we're gonna see the results. Another good thing about this workflow is that you don't have to download any models manually. If you go to your logs over here, you will see that whatever models this custom workflow requires, it will download the models on the first run. So it will download those models automatically. So the first time around it will take some time to run because it's downloading models from the internet, but subsequent runs of this custom workflow are gonna be really fast. And as you can see over here, the workflow has upscaled our image, and as you can see the results are extremely sharp. We are going to compare this with the original image we gave to the workflow. So let's make it big, and as you can see there's a big difference between the sharpness. We're gonna try something different now. Let's try to restore old photos that are a bit blurry. So I have this image over here. Let's try to upscale this image and see the results. So this time around it's gonna be really quick because the first time around it was installing some custom models for this workflow. Now as you can see it's running really fast. And as you can see the image has been upscaled. Let's make it a bit bigger, and you can see the difference in detail between these two images. The wrinkles on the clothes have become way more apparent in this one. Also the design on these clothes is way more apparent, and we can see that it has made those faces sharper. Now we're getting these results using only a single sampling step. If you need better results, you can try increasing the number of sampling steps, but we're gonna stick with one sampling step. And if you are trying to upscale a larger image, so let's say a 1K image to a 4K image or something like that, then you will need to increase the chopping size to 256 or potentially 512. But because this image is really small, we're going to keep it to 128.